Hi, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes. Of course. Are you looking for sneakers, formal shoes, or sandals? I need a pair of sneakers for everyday use. Got it. Do you know your shoe size? I usually wear size 42, but sometimes 43 depending on the brand. Let me bring you both sizes to try. Do you prefer any particular color? Something simple, maybe black or white. Here are a few options. Black running shoes, white casual sneakers, and a gray pair with extra cushioning. I like the white casual ones. Can I try them in size 42 first? Sure, here you go. Let me know how they feel. They're a bit tight. Do you have size 43? Yes, one moment. Here's size 43. Much better. I'll take these. Great choice. Would you like to see any sandals or formal shoes today? No, just the sneakers for now. Thanks. Alright, I'll take these to the counter for you. Thank you very much. You're welcome.